Let's talk about a little more advanced filleting. In the last filleting option, we talked about how the order in which we pick edges can dramatically affect how our fillet looks. Let's pull out the filleting icon again. Let's pick the fillet, and let's pick this middle edge first, and then an edge on this side, an edge on this side. And on this side, I'm going to pick the top and the bottom, and the other side, I'm going to pick the opposite order, the bottom and the top. And then I'm going to say OK. And wow, we have two dramatically looking edges here. Now I'm going to discuss the blended fillet option. So let's double click the fillet again. And in the dialog box, we're going to be working over here in the blended corner and with a setback distance. So I'm going to right click here in this blended corner option and say create by edges. Okay, and you'll see that it's created a corner here and a corner here. And I'm going to change my setback distance to 20 millimeters. Okay, and then we're going to say OK. And then what has happened is 20 millimeters before the edge, the fillet is actually stopped, and it drew the circular arc there, and here, and here, and here. And then in this area in between, it created a blend. Okay? And if you like, you can double click this, and you can increase the setback distance if you like, and say OK. If you increase it too much, then our two fillets in the middle here actually intersected. So we'll have to come back a little bit. And what happens if you come back even more to say 5 millimeters? Say OK. Well, now you've gone too small. Now you're well inside of where it would actually be able to blend. So you have to find your little sweet spot, and usually, you go out at least past the radius of your fillet and say OK. There we go. Now, if you like, you can also, in your selection, you can right click and say remove to remove one of the blends.